Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Facebook Messenger not working, full guide step by step clearly. If you're experiencing issues with Facebook Messenger, follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Start by checking your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If your connection seems weak, try reconnecting or switching networks. Next, check if Facebook Messenger is down. Visit a site like Down Detector to see if other users are reporting similar issues. If Messenger is operational, try restarting your app. Close the Messenger app completely and then reopen it. If that doesn't work, restart your device. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve temporary glitches. Now, check for app updates. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Messenger, and see if an update is available. If an update exists, install it. If the issue persists, clear the app's cache. For Android users, go to Settings, then Apps, find Messenger, and select Clear Cache. For iPhone users, uninstalling and reinstalling the app can have a similar effect. Next, check your device's storage space. If your device is low on storage, it can affect app performance. Try freeing up some space by deleting unnecessary files or apps. If you're still facing issues, check the app permissions. Go to Settings, then Apps, find Messenger, and ensure all necessary permissions are granted. Additionally, check your device for any pending software updates. Updating your device's operating system can also resolve compatibility issues. If Messenger is still not working, consider logging out and logging back in. Open the app, go to your profile, and sign out, then sign in again. Finally, if none of these steps work, consider reinstalling the app. Uninstall Messenger, wait a moment, and then download it again from the App Store or Google Play Store. Follow these steps, and you should be able to resolve any issues with Facebook Messenger. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.